finally gonna install these headlights. I'm so excited about this. Oh, yo, 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 yo. What a pretty little baby. Should be a simple job. Let's get to it. These are the Raxiom dual LED halo projector headlights. I got the black housing and the smoked lenses, and I'm excited. I think these are just going to take this car to the next level, and it's going to be a quick and easy install. So let's see how it goes. This kit comes with pretty much every single thing that you need. All you gotta pull from your toolkit is a pair of pliers. The old headlights are very easy to remove. There's 2 clips at the top and you just pop them out. Find it on YouTube. It's gonna take you like 5 minutes. Make sure you do not throw away the parking light harnesses. You will need that harness, so don't throw it away. And this is kind of what it looks like. Yep, there it is. Also make sure you don't clip any wires. All of a sudden, I felt like I was defusing a bomb, and I started clipping wires, and that set me back. And whenever you find yourself taking out the old family heirloom soldering iron built in 1927, you know that a job has gone to shit. But lucky I had this. I fixed it right up. And now you're going to use these little Scotch lock connectors, and the black wire goes with the black wire, the blue wire goes with the brown wire. Could not get any simpler. As long as you don't cut the wires, you're in good hands, and the job is done. And it's so easy. You just put this new headlight in, attach the retainer clips, just smash them down, no tools needed, and move on to the other side, where I will not be snipping any wires. It's looking really good. I'm really happy with it. Yeah. Looks really good. Let's take one last moment of silence to remember the OEM crap shitbag headlights. And now we can enjoy.
This is what you're waiting for. I think we're ready to ride.
Thank you for watching this really good video about really good headlights. I hope this video lit up your life.